Hello, this is Roshni More, and the today's topic is death penalty and the provision related to the death penalty and where it is illegal in India or not, or should we abolish or not. Let's start it. So let's first understand what is a death penalty. As we can see in the name instance, we understand that the death penalty it means that ki I would like to answer in Hindi like फांसी की सज़ा or we can say the life imprisonment and the death penalty is a very different term. Let's understand this. In the India, the death penalty refers to the highest form of punishment sanctioned by the law. It means that कि जितनी ज़्यादा harm, जितनी ज़्यादा brutal murder, so if we can say that the heinous crime, it means that not every cases, that rarest to rare, not every cases has the death penalty. It a very rarest rare. It means that कि जिसमें ज़्यादा हीनियस क्राइम है, जिसमें ज़्यादा ब्रूटल मर्डर है, जिसमें कि डेथ पेनल्टी इज कंपल्सरी, दैट लॉ इज सैंक्शन and the death penalty is executed in the India through the hanging and imposed in the case where the courts determine that the offense committed to the grave and exceptional that no other punishment will suffice. Crimes such as a murder with the aggravating circumstances, act, terrorism, and case of high treason are among the considered the death penalty. So we can understand that death penalty is a very heinous given to the person who has done the very heinous crime. So obviously there are provisions, and I have not written every provisions. I have just written the IPC sections, means which are the most important. So certainly in India, the death penalty provides provisions are primarily covered under the various sections under the IPC and also the CRPC. So I would like to describe the three of the main section, IPC section, that is the section 302. It means that the section deals with the punishment of murder. In case of murder, the death penalty can be imposed if the offense fall under the category of rarest rare. In the simple language, I would like to say that कि okay, death तो किया है, but the डेथ की जो कुछ भी हीनियस क्राइम है, लाइक इम्प्रिजन भी उसको नहीं दे सकते, उतना ज़्यादा उसने क्राइम का मर्डर किया है. सो दैट्स वाई द डेथ पेनल्टी इज अ कंपल्सरी, और वी कैन से दैट द इट शुड बी द पनिशमेंट. And the section 121 I would like to describe in Hindi, that he says that कि जो भी व्यक्ति हमारे स्टेट के खिलाफ, हमारे इंडिया के खिलाफ, और वी कैन से द टेररिज्म ऑफ वॉर अगेंस्ट अस, दैट person should be punished by the death penalty. There is not any kind of punishment to punish him. And we can say in the section 376A, in this case rape leading the death of a victim or leaving her in the vegetative state, the law allows for the death penalty. As we see in the many rape cases that many of the victims are in the life imprisonment. No, but in such a cases that the victim has raped the girl and also that he murdered that girl with a very heinous crime, that is a very heinous crime, very brutal murder, then there should be the death penalty should be sanctioned by the law. As the question arises where it is illegal in India, yes, of course it is legal in India, because the severe crimes like murder in extreme circumstances, terrorism related offences, acts, high treason, imposition involves a strict legal process, but it's reserved for only the most exceptional cases. It means that the rarest the rare, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नहीं तो कम से कम जो केसेस जो ज़्यादा ही हीनियस और क्राइम है, उसी केसेस में डेथ पेनल्टी अलाउड किया जाता है. एज वी कैन सी इन द निर्भया केसेस, द कैरी आउट द पेनल्टी व्हेन द डेथ वारंट इज इशू. As we all know the Nirbhaya cases, but I would like to mention the another case, the story of a Shabnam. It is a murder case where the woman, one Muslim woman and one Muslim guy were both in a love, and they because the education and their caste, they are not matching, so they their family don't allow to get them married. So what they did, they killed their parents. The seven individuals were the present. They killed their parents, they killed their family, and that lady and that man got hanged, which means just a death penalty. But yes, she has what we can say, appeal for the high court, supreme court, then various supreme court, but not the every court says that the no death penalty it should be the means there is a rarest to rare cases that there should be the murder, there should be the death penalty, because she and the man has killed the seven person in the family. So from this we understand that the death penalty is given to the rarest rare cases, not the every cases. And yes, it is legal in the India and punishable in the India. Thank you.